Today I'm going to walk you through one of the newest and most exciting features in Bitrix24 Boards. It's a powerful visual collaboration tool that lets you map out ideas, workflows, and strategies, all within your Bitrix24 workspace. Let's start from the feed. This is where most users land by default, and from here we'll navigate to Boards. Head to the top menu and click on More, and select Boards. This opens your new Bitrix24 workspace. Think of it as your own virtual whiteboard library. Click Create to start a new board. Give it a name. We'll call this one Client Onboarding Plan and hit Enter. Inside your virtual workspace, the grid layout helps you keep things neat, and along the bottom you'll find your main tools. Pointer to select elements, hand tool to move around, shapes for flowchart and layout, text for headings or notes, arrows to connect ideas, draw tool for freehand notes, image upload, and yes, emojis for a little fun. Let's map out a quick process together. Start by selecting the rectangle shape from the toolbar at the bottom. Click anywhere on the grid to place it. Now click inside the shape to start typing. Let's label this first step New Lead. Selecting the shape, you'll notice these small dots on each side, top, bottom, left, and right. These are connection points. Click on these dots and you'll automatically create a new shape that's already linked by an arrow. Let's name this one Initial Contact. We'll do that again. Let's label this one Needs Analysis. You can reposition the shapes by clicking and dragging them. The arrows stay connected, adjusting automatically. In just a few clicks, we've created a basic business flow: New Lead, Initial Contact, and Needs Analysis. This could easily expand into quoting, onboarding, or service delivery, whatever fits your business. You could also build branches from any step. For example, let's build 2 branches on the Needs Analysis block. You'll click the connection point at the bottom of the block twice. Each time will create a new step with its own arrow. To collaborate with your team, click Permissions and Sharing. Here you can control who can view or edit the board, perfect for teamwork or client reviews. Once you're back in the Boards dashboard, you'll see your board listed. You can choose to publish it to your wider team or keep it private while you work. Toggle the switch under Publish to control visibility. And that's your quick intro to Bitrix24 Boards. It's visual, collaborative, and completely integrated into your workspace. Perfect for strategy planning, onboarding flows, or even brainstorming sessions. If you'd like help building your Bitrix24 environment or want us to design custom boards for your team, reach out to us at Full View Solutions. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Bitrix24 tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.